Hello. I'm gonna teach you on how to get good color in your character. 1. The hair color. If you want the clothes to have dark color, make the hair with light color. If you want the clothes to have light color, make the hair with dark color. It's okay if you use dark or light color hair and clothes if it doesn't match. I'm gonna pick the light hair color. 2. The clothes color. This is the outfit. Since the hair is light color, I'm gonna color the outfit with dark color. Also, don't make the hair and the clothes have matching color. 3. The accessories color. I've added the accessories. You can make the accessories have the same color with the outfit if you want. 4. The skin color. For the skin, make it match with the character. And sometimes some of the skin doesn't allow you to pick it, like this. Looney is doing that so the people don't make inappropriate content, so don't get mad at Looney. And I will choose the brown skin. 5. The eyes color. I've added the eyes. Pick any color instead of the outfit color. Like this. 6. The tint color. Finally, the last one. For the tint, put color of the outfit but more lighter. We are finished with this tutorial. Now goodbye.